Hello and welcome to Little Learners. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the sound H. The name for this letter is H, and the sound it makes is H. Let's look at some words that start with this sound. H is for hippo. H, h, hippo. H is for hot. H, h, hot. Is for horse. Horse. Is for house. House. Is for hungry. Hungry. Is for hug. Hug. Is for helicopter. Helicopter. Is for hen. Hen. Is for heart. Heart. Is for hat. Hat. All of those words started with the sound H. Practice makes progress, so let's look at those words again. H is for hippo. Hippo. H is for hot. Hot. H is for horse. Horse. H is for house. House. H is for hungry. Hungry. H is for hug. Hug. H is for helicopter. Helicopter. H is for hen. Hen. H is for heart. Heart. H is for hat. Hat. That concludes our words today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, as it really helps out the channel. And don't forget you can subscribe to see more videos just like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.